एक स्पेशल एडिशन है, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। फील द डिफरेंस। हाय, वेलकम बैक। आज आप लोगों को कहीं लेके जा रहे हैं हम, कहीं घूमने नहीं। एक्चुअली मेरा स्लिप डिस्क है, बहुत दिनों से सुदिति होने के बाद से ही मेरा प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन इतना ज्यादा नहीं था, तो इसलिए हमने कोई स्टेप नहीं लिया था। डॉक्टर को दिखाया था तो डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि हाँ स्लिप डिस्क है, तो थोड़ा बहुत जो भी प्रिकॉशन के लिए बोला था प्रिकॉशन लिया था हमने। फिर धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है। एवरी डे मुझे दर्द ज्यादा होना शुरू हो गया, जो जो होता है नॉर्मली वो सब हो रहा था। तो मैं और सुकांत मिलके सोच रहे थे कि क्या किया जाए। मैं एक्सरसाइज तो कर रही थी जितना भी स्पाइन का होता है, लेकिन इतना फ्रूटफुल कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। फिर सुकांत ने एक दिन, मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ अभी, जिसका नाम है एलिट स्पाइन सेंटर, वहाँ का एड देखा। फिर मुझे लेके गए कि चलो कंसल्ट करके देखते हैं क्या है। तो थोड़ा नॉर्मल जो चेकअप करते हैं वो सब करने के बाद डॉक्टर ने बोला थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम तो है, आप एक्सरे करो, एक्सरे करने के बाद पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है। तो फिर एक्सरे करने के बाद पता चला कि कुछ L5, L4 इसमें एक साइड का गैप बिल्कुल कम हो गया है। तो फिर डॉक्टर ने बोला हाँ थोड़ा ट्रीटमेंट तो चाहिए। तो इसका एक प्रोसेस होता है। मैं कुछ लास्ट 3 महीने से मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ पे। 3 महीने में मुझे बहुत ही असर हुआ है। इनिशियली दर्द तो होता है, दर्द अभी भी होता है थोड़ा, जिस दिन जाते हैं धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाता है ना, एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं। वो जो पेन होता है इनिशियली फर्स्ट दिन सेकंड डे जो पेन हो रहा था वो कम हो गया धीरे धीरे, लेकिन हाँ रिलीफ तो मुझे बहुत मिला है। तो मैंने सोचा कि एक दिन मेरा सेशन ही आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करते हैं। आज सुकांत भी जाएंगे मेरे साथ, नॉर्मली मैं अकेले ही जाती हूँ, आज सुकांत भी जाएंगे क्योंकि वीडियो करना है और मेरे ऊपर ही तो होगा, तो मैं तो कर नहीं सकती। तो चलिए आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं और डॉक्टर से भी मिलवाएंगे। हाँ वो तो पहनना है, एक बार बिना मास्क के देख लेते हैं चेहरा, फिर तो मास्क पहन के ही रहना है। ज्यादा बात यहाँ पे नहीं करूंगी, जाने का टाइम भी हो रहा है, तो हम जाके दिखाते हैं। तो चलिए हमारे साथ। तो ये है एलिट स्पाइन सेंटर, ये सुकांत अंदर ही है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। हाय, हाय। They are very helpful and very friendly. ये सेटअप है यहाँ का। ये जो टेबल वगैरह आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट होता है। ये जो टेबल आप देख रहे हैं ये डिकम्प्रेशन के लिए, आप देखेंगे मैं धीरे धीरे करूँगी। तो चलिए अभी डॉक्टर से भी मिलाएंगे आपको कि क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं। मैं अभी सुकांत को हैंड ओवर कर देती हूँ, तो चलिए फिर। So she is my doctor, Dr. Michelle. She is very friendly and really nice.
They've been very kind to allow us to come here and shoot a little bit of what's happening. It's really helped Aditi. So we wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. Dr. Michelle, we'll just maybe ask you a couple of questions on, you know, about the procedures, very specific to Aditi on what was done.
Yeah, exactly.
What did she present with, conditions, and how you thought it would be helpful. And then we'll get some shots from Aditi as well. Okay.
मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था और डॉक्टर मिशेल कैसे मुझे ट्रीट किया है वो आपको बताएंगे।
So since the channel is English plus vernacular, so trying to get it to the right audience.
No, that's thank you for the like kind words from yourself as well, and yeah, thank you.
No,
for
you are so kind.
this.
You are so kind, and all staff. I'm so grateful. Whatever you did for me these days, I am really much better than earlier.
That's good to hear.
क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया ना कि बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट मुझ में आया है। जो मुझे हर रोज मेडिसिन लेना पड़ता था, रात भर मुझे नींद नहीं आता था, लेकिन ये ट्रीटमेंट के बाद मुझे अभी नींद भी आता है। हाँ बीच में कभी कभार होता है, बट whenever I feel something, I tell Dr. Michelle and she do something, and it's I got relief from that pain.
So let's check with Dr. Michelle.
Yeah.
On so you know, in brief, would you be able to tell us what is the condition that Aditi presented with?
Yes.
And is it a common condition, or you know, what did you observe?
Yeah, so definitely when you first came to see us as well, it was actually the lower back pain, isn't it? And then you get the numbness all the way down, that it stops you from really enjoying your life, cooking as well, which you really enjoy. Yes, so what we did was actually like after we did the examination, we actually saw that your pelvis was like misaligned, as well as how your disc was actually like narrower. So which means that you're more prone for like impingements on the lumbar nerve that goes down towards your legs, and this is why you're feeling the pain across the back down towards your legs. And what we do to you over here is basically with the adjustment, we just help with taking the pressure off the joints and restoring the proper joints biomechanics, as well as taking the pressure off the nerve. Plus, when you do the decompressions later on, it does help with healing the disc, because it brings in like those nutrients and fluid into the disc to heal it better, and certainly take the pressure off. And this is what it feels better to you. And I'm not too sure whether you still remember about the nerve that goes down towards the legs. They actually come from the back, but they also goes into our like reproductive systems, the bladder.
Yeah, exactly.
And this really helps with your other complaints as well, isn't it?
इवन आफ्टर फर्स्ट डिलीवरी सुदीति जब हुई थी, उसके बाद मुझे जो मंथली पीरियड्स होता है उसका बहुत पेन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया था, बट ये जो कर रहे हैं हम, ये करने के बाद बहुत रिलीफ मिला है मुझे। फर्स्ट 2 डेज में बेड से उठ भी नहीं पाती थी, इतना प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, बट नाउ आई कैन गो एनीवेयर, सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा मुझे हुआ है।
So without further ado, now we'll go into the process and give you a quick sneak peek of what's being done.
Okay.
सो आज पहले जो करेंगे, पहले एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे डॉक्टर मिशेल, उसके बाद जैसे जैसे होगा आपको दिखाएंगे। तुम कैसे एडजस्टमेंट करते हैं वो देखो।
And we can actually see that your right leg can actually go into the buttock as much as the left side in here. That's actually because of how the pelvis on the right side is not moving as well. So that will cause a lot of compensations up towards the rest of the back as well. So just checking the pelvis over there and checking the full spine basically. Just each and every movement of them. Alright. So just going to do a little bit of trigger points in here first. Let me know if it's too much pain for you, okay?
I know. Don't worry.
So it's been pretty busy for the past weeks, is it?
Yeah.
More on the left side instead?
No, left side. Yeah. Oh.
Alright. Yeah, your right muscles is actually more tense than the left side. That's because of how this joint is actually not moving. So those muscles around it will try to pull it just to protect the joints from further misalignment. Just 3 times for this one. And then I'm actually going to use the drop piece over here. It will drop it down like this through your pelvis. You wouldn't feel anything, it's just a noise from the bench itself. Okay? Alright there?
Yeah.
So this just to help with mobilizing the sacrum. I'm going to just check it again. Just a little bit better. That's better. Then, okay. So I'm going to adjust the mid back in here. Now take a deep breath in for me, please, and all the way out. Good. And in again. Just a different angle and all the way out. That's better. Okay, now I'm going to use the actual stem just around the lower back so you feel a bit of a tap, alright?
Okay.
So what does this do?
Yeah, so for arthrostim, the reasons why it's called arthrostim, because arthro means joints in Greek, and then stim is basically the abbreviations for stimulations. So it helps with adjusting the joints if you're actually targeting onto the facet joints or the SI joints in here. Or if you are targeting those muscles, it just stimulates the muscles with like fast stretch reflex to make them relax faster and quicker too. It's like tricking the brain into relaxing the muscles.
Okay.
Yeah, your right side is actually more sensitive, isn't it? When we're doing all this work in here. Yeah, this is the thing. What we feel, like where we feel the pain, doesn't necessarily mean that that's where the problem's coming from as well. So today your problem is actually more from on the right side instead of the left. Okay, going to do some adjustments across the lower back. Turn to your side, baby. Please, Anuti. Here. And just like this. And right here. Take a deep breath in, please, and all the way out. Okay, on to the other side, please. Go. Over here. Again, breathe in, all the way out. And onto your back, please. Alright, so going to adjust the neck now. So a lot of people actually ask us like, why would we actually adjust the mid back or the neck when people comes in with like a lower back issues? That's actually because of how our spines actually move together. So if you're just going to adjust one part, if one part is moving but not the other part, we tend to still compensate it. So over time, we're just going to stress that part again. So then, yeah.
यहाँ पे और एक बात मैं बोलूँगी कि मुझे नेक पे बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होता था, बहुत पेन होता था, बट ये करने के बाद मेरा नेक पेन तो बिल्कुल भी चला गया. नेक पेन या ये जो शोल्डर पेन होता था ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
So what she's saying is that before she came in here, she used to have a lot of neck and shoulder issues, which has gone away now.
Yeah.
So she doesn't have the issues anymore.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So that's more like your secondary complaints as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So just going to adjust these regions in here. Just that way. And then just a lower neck. Traction, helping to recreate the C-shaped curve in your neck as well, that we're supposed to have to help us with evenly distributing the weights. Stimulating those nerve endings on your fingertips and toes, because there have a lot of them around our fingertips and toes, and in order to go all the way down here, they have to go through the brain, the spinal cord, the nerve roots all the way down. So it helps with like increasing the rates of recoveries as well. Okay, 3 times, and another 3 is in here. So again, the iliopsoas muscles that we're actually like releasing the tensions on, it's the muscles that would get tightened up a lot, especially for people which need to sit a lot. So probably not yourself so much, but those are office workers. But for people who have like lower back issues, This part will definitely be the one that will get like tightened up as well, because it connects from the lower back all around the pelvis into the hip joint. And just going to pull your triangle. Relax, relax. There we go. Yeah, again, relax, relax, relax. Yeah, to help you walk better. Okay, now let's going to check your the hamstrings. Okay. Not yet. Just one more. Since you mentioned about the things that go down here.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Any discomforts here?
No, just actually I'm feeling good.
Feeling good? Okay, yeah. Let's stretch this one then, okay? Now push your leg down onto my shoulder. Okay, just gently, You just need to use 20% of the strength. And then relax. And push it down again. And relax. Still okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. One last time, push. And relax. Good. And relax. And this one right here. Okay. 3 times as well. Push it down. And then relax. Then push it down again. And relax. Okay. And one last time, push. And then relax. Good. And relax. Alright, now turn to your side and sit up.
Okay.
Your spines again, making sure they're nice and straight before we put you onto the decompression machines for your lower back. That's good. Your shoulder joints. Alright, all done here?
Yeah, now I'm free. Actually, I'm feeling relaxed because my whole body was stuck. But now I'm free. I'm feeling really free and very good. Actually,
and ready for the next process.
Yeah, waiting for the next one.
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is called decompression. It has got something to do with how the spacing of the spine works. Obviously, I'm going to have a quick chat with Dr. Michelle to find out what it means and why is this done, and then let's see how the procedure moves. So she's being all settled up. As you can see, they need to tie her down. So as you can see, all necessary precautions are being taken so that the harness really holds her in place. And it's, as I understand, it's quite fairly important for it to be tight enough. Wow. Maybe I need to buy one of these for my home.
Okay.
I heard you was having this like.
So now that she's all set, while the rest of the things are getting through, I just wanted to understand, this is called decompression.
Yep.
And what does this do?
So it's basically a non-surgical spinal decompression, and as you saw it just now, that it actually went up a little bit in an angle. So for Aditi, it was actually the alpha S1 nerve that actually got affected. So we actually want to tilt it into that angle so that we can actually decompress the spine. So let's say this is a vertebrae and another one. So basically when it actually opens up like this at the moment, it will also help with creating a negative pressure in between the vertebrae into the spinal disc. And then together with a slow pumping motions that will happen in a few cycles, they will actually pump in the fluid and nutrition into the disc to help with healing the disc, and just giving this a little bit of the nutrition as it needs to. However, depends on the severity of the case as well. It will goes up to a certain extent and not until 100%.
So in layman's terms, if I have to explain, it'd be right to explain that over time, if there is unnatural compression of the discs of the vertebrae, this helps to expand it and allow thereby the natural movement of nutrients or whatever between the discs.
Is that what it is? Up to a certain extent, because it's only it's only like 1/3 of our disc the outer 1/3 of our disc, they have blood supply, so which means the healing process in the inner 2/3 wouldn't actually get what they want to as easy as the outer 1/3. So it's important to have this kind of negative pressure together with the slow pumping motions to really help with the nutrition to go into it.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Dr. Michelle. I think we'll just leave her for now.
We'll leave you to rest for a bit. Time to wake up.
This was for 15 minutes, right?
Yes.
So 15 minutes is done and the pressure is now being relieved. So after the decompression, it takes a little while for the body to adjust and for them to get straight up. Small stretch exercises.
You are ready? I'll have you roll to your side.
Now next vibration.
Yes, the high frequency vibrations to further relax those muscles on the back there.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the next process, which is called the high frequency vibrations. This is done by this equipment here, as you can see. So during this process, do you have to put a lot of pressure on the machine?
Yes, we'll try a little bit of pressure.
And this is more to relax the muscles, or is that something
under
to do
the
with
decompression, so we're trying to push in more fluids into the disc to rehydrate them, but more for relaxing the muscles on the back after the stretch.
Okay.
Thank you. Done for today. Next बेल्ट है, बेल्ट आइस पैक के साथ पहनना है।
तो आप लोगों ने देखा कि जो कायरोप्रैक्टर के पास मैं जा रही हूँ और मेरा जो ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है, ये ऑलमोस्ट 3 मंथ्स तो हो गया और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा फर्क अभी नजर आ रहा है। आई कैन फील द डिफरेंस। तो मुझे लगा कि स्पाइन का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को है और अगर ये प्रॉब्लम अगर बिना मेडिसिन के, बिना ऑपरेशन के ठीक हो सकता है, तो क्यों ना हम एक इसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाए, क्योंकि मुझे रिजल्ट मिल रहा है। तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलो इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाते हैं और इसमें कोई रेसिपी नहीं डालूंगी। इसके बारे में जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है या तो बहुत कुछ सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, कायरोप्रैक्टर मीन्स बहुत दर्द होता है। हाँ, इनिशियली कुछ दिन दर्द होता है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो चला जाता है। अब मुझे बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है और आफ्टर सेशन मुझे फ्री लगता है। जो हेवीनेस बॉडी पे रहता है, ये सब बिल्कुल चला जाता है। तो ये एक स्पेशल एडिशन है कायरोप्रैक्टर के बारे में। आई होप कि आप लोगों को थोड़ा तो मेरा जो ये वीडियो है इसमें से पता चल रहा है। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी हेल्प मिले तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। तो चलिए, अगर आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो आज पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर माई वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड बेल आइकन आइकन जरूर दबाना। और एक चीज, रेसिपी के लिए चिंता मत कीजिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मेरा रेसिपी पक्का रहेगा। तो चलिए फिर आप लोगों से मिलते हैं मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई चीजों के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय।